Everybody, it's Eugene Lee Show here, and don't forget that the Forensic Photography Symposium is coming up on January 17th to 20th, 2022. And with me today, I have Art Borchers here, and he's going to be one of our speakers. And Art, first off, thank you for being here in this, and I want to know about your topic. You're going to be talking about why shoot RAW. And so what's the problem? Why can't I just shoot in JPEG?
Well, thank you for having me. I really appreciate it. Most crime scene work, JPEG will work well, but sometimes you have images that are going to be forensically compared with something else or measured or something like that, and you just need that detail that's in a raw image that gets cut out by your camera that most people don't even know happens.
What kind of problems or what kind of situations could you be in where, for example, a raw image will get you out of?
Well, specifically, if you've got to measure something in detail, it helps. And again, for court purposes, our photographs are supposed to be fair and accurate representations of the scenes that we're photographing. When your camera deletes information and you don't understand that whole process, you could end up looking a little foolish if somebody starts questioning you about what you know or don't know about your camera as it's working. So it's important to know, is this a situation where I need to use RAW, or is this something that I can get by with just JPEG?
Yeah, that makes a heck of a lot of sense. So I'll be looking forward to your presentation. And don't forget, folks, if you want to register, just click on the link below. And that's also if you want to submit an abstract, you can go to the same place. Art, thank you very much.
Thank you, Eugene.